Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can measure with your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So you have to open the photo mode, the camera mode, then open the more modes and go for the AR zone. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then you have to download this option, Quick Measure. You will find this button like on the deco pic. When you download it, you will also have to download the latest update of the Google Play Services AR. After that, when you finish, just open it. Right now we have to move our camera around, so we have to basically scan our surface, and as you can see in my case that's interesting because I don't even have to, but in most cases you just have to basically move your phone like that for like few seconds. If you still cannot scan, just put it a little bit like don't hold your phone too close for the surface and it will be much easier. And as you can see, there is some kind of information that the phone couldn't detect the distance. So let's move the camera around a little bit, do it slowly. Okay, right now it works, so we can try to measure. As you can see, it also shows us the height to the target. I'm not sure if it works the same like on the iPhone, because right there it's working really good. And that's our measure. To take photo with it and save, just click in this place. And yeah, that's all for this video. As you can see, that was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.